SEALSQ finalized a strategic investment in WeCan Group, a Swiss blockchain and data compliance innovator. This involved acquiring a 28.3% equity stake in WeCan. WeCan is a leading provider of blockchain-based solutions for secure data management, serving individuals, enterprises, and financial institutions. Its flagship platform, WeCan Comply, is a leading platform for orchestrating KYC and KYB compliance data. The investment will enable SEALSQ and WeCan to integrate their technologies and co-develop next-generation solutions combining post-quantum cryptography, secure identity frameworks, and blockchain-powered compliance platforms. The alliance brings together SEALSQ's hardware-based security and WeCan's established presence in the financial compliance ecosystem to build quantum-safe foundations for mission-critical sectors. Key outcomes of the investment include the full integration of SEALSQ's post-quantum encryption into WeCan, enhancing KYC and KYB platforms used by top-tier private banks and external asset managers. The companies will also jointly develop quantum-resistant identity verification and compliance tools, safeguarding financial institutions, digital asset managers, and DeFi platforms. SEALSQ semiconductors will embed post-quantum security algorithms, fortifying billions of IoT devices against future quantum-based cyber threats. The partnership will also expand decentralized identity (DID) solutions for secure, self-sovereign identity in Web 3.0 ecosystems and deploy advanced Know Your Object (KYO) solutions for enhanced identity management and compliance. According to Carlos Moreira, CEO of SEALSQ, the investment formalizes the shared vision with WeCan to lead the global transition toward quantum-resilient digital ecosystems. Vincent Pignon, founder and CEO of WeCan, expressed excitement about welcoming SEALSQ as a strategic investor, stating that its leadership in semiconductor-based cybersecurity and quantum innovation significantly strengthens WeCan's mission. This transaction consolidates SEALSQ's position as a key enabler of post-quantum security and expands its influence across Europe's digital compliance and Web 3.0 sectors. SEALSQ is also enhancing its capabilities to support the rapidly evolving Internet of Medical Things (IoT) landscape, primarily by providing essential security components for applications that secure communications, authenticate devices, and enforce compliance with next-generation digital health frameworks. The IoT represents a vast network of interconnected medical devices, sensors, software, and healthcare systems utilizing Internet connectivity to exchange information. SEALSQ's technologies support the IoT's evolving needs by delivering security components that protect physical access to facilities, secure communications, and authenticate devices across government and consumer healthcare settings. Their smart card reader chips are integrated into identity terminals used by major European healthcare systems to read patient cards securely. The company's public key infrastructure, PKI, and secure elements enable in-the-field authentication and encryption for remote patient monitoring systems, protecting the flow of medical data between wearable devices and hospital systems. The company has expanded its capabilities to support edge-based cryptographic authentication, enabling AI-powered medical devices to securely process data locally before transmitting only necessary insights into the cloud. This reduces latency and limits exposure to potential cyberattacks, aligning with modern edge AI deployments in IoT. SEALSQ's unique value proposition integrates PKI with quantum-resistant cryptography and post-quantum secure hardware, providing robust protection against both classical and quantum adversaries. The company's implementation of NIST-recommended algorithms like Crystal's Kyber and Dilithium ensures long-term security for IoT devices. The company's secure hardware is equipped with embedded post-quantum key management features, offering a tamper-resistant root of trust ideal for long lifecycle medical devices. According to Bernard Vian, SEALSQ's managing director, the company's post-quantum technology offers a robust and scalable solution to safeguard IoT networks from emerging cyber threats while enabling compliant and efficient healthcare service delivery. Outside the medical sphere and this world, SEALSQ and WISeSat Space have successfully launched a new satellite aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 Transporter 14 mission. The satellite embeds SEALSQ's quantum root key technology, enabling the first-ever decentralized physical infrastructure network to PIN from space. This mission represents a pivotal step forward in securing space communications through the implementation of post-quantum cryptography, PQC. PQC is critical for protecting satellite communications against future threats posed by quantum computers, which are expected to render current encryption methods obsolete. The satellite architecture supports the integration of PQC within a hybrid framework, enabling secure communication between orbital and ground-based infrastructure. The cryptographic algorithms being tested on board follow the latest standards under development by the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, ensuring that the technology is aligned with global efforts to future-proof digital infrastructure. According to Carlos Moreira, this launch is not only a milestone for decentralized infrastructure in space, but also a strategic move toward making space communications quantum resilient. The launch strengthens Europe's capabilities in space and cybersecurity, promoting technological independence and leadership in the age of quantum computing. SEALSQ has invested $10 million in WISeSat Space, securing a 9% equity stake and joining its parent company, WISeKey International. This investment will enable WISeSat to scale up its operations and accelerate the deployment of its planned satellite constellation. Without a doubt, the partnership between SEALSQ and WISeSat Space is setting the foundation for a new generation of cyber-resilient, quantum-ready space systems, redefining global digital trust from orbit. The companies are demonstrating how PQC can be deployed in terrestrial networks and extended into orbit, safeguarding critical communications for years to come. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.